Hey Krishna, you are ocean of mercy. You are a friend of distressed. You protected the residents of Vrindavan from the wrath of Indra by lifting this Govardhan hill at the age of 7. My Krishna, when will I have your mercy? When will I have your darshan, Krishna? When will I have your darshan?
Oh sage, you look so tired. Please take this milk.
You are so beautiful, my boy. Who are you? Where do you stay?
My name is Gopal. I stay in this beautiful village. Please drink the milk.
Krishna.
In our village, no one fasts.
It is so refreshing. But how do you know I am fasting?
The girls who came here to fetch the water from the well saw you and they told me to give you this pot of milk. We do not allow anyone to go hungry in our village. So why don't you beg some alms for yourself?
It is my vow that I will not ask anything for myself. If Krishna provides, I will have it. Otherwise, I will keep fasting.
Oh, I don't understand. What kind of vow is this? Oh, anyway, you take this milk. I need to go to herd my cows. I will come back to collect this pot. Dhauli!
Gopal!
Kali!
Gopal!
Ganga!
Gopal! Where did he go? How suddenly he disappeared? Now I will have to wait over here to return him in this spot. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Where is this boy? Now it's late in the evening. He hasn't returned yet. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
Madhavendra Puri,
Ram, Hare Hare,
remembrance of the boy,
Hare
chanting
Krishna,
the holy
Hare Krishna,
name, fell
Krishna
asleep
Krishna, Hare
under
Hare,
a tree,
Hare Ram,
and in night,
Ram, Hare Hare,
same
Hare
cowherd boy
Krishna, Hare Krishna,
appears in threefold
Krishna,
bending
Krishna,
form
Hare Hare.
in dream of Madhavendra Puri.
Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare, Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Madhavendra? 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 Madhavendra?
How do you know my name?
I have been waiting for you here for long.
But who are you?
I am the same Gopal, the lifter of the Govardhan hill. I only gave you this pot of milk.
Krishna, my Lord, Krishna.
I was observing you for many days. And I was wondering, when will my Madhavendra will come here and serve me?
Krishna, my Lord, Krishna.
Listen carefully, Madhavendra. At the end of Dwapar Yuga, my great grandson Vajranab installed me on the top of the Govardhan hill. But because of the attack of Malechas, the priest hid me in the bushes. Since that time, I have been suffering from severe heat and scorching heat and freezing cold. Now, Madhavendra,
Krishna.
take help of the villagers, take me out of the bushes and install me on the top of the Govardhan hill.
Krishna.
Construct a temple and bathe me with huge quantities of cold water. Then I shall appear to deliver all the fallen souls of the Kali Yuga.
As soon as little Gopal disappears, Madhavendra Puri comes to his external consciousness.
Krishna, you gave me darshan. I saw you directly. Krishna, but I could not recognize you, Krishna. You came to feed me milk and I took the service from you. How fallen I am, Krishna. How fallen I am. But now my only mission is to search for you, Krishna. My Gopal, my only service is to execute your orders, Krishna. Now I shall gather all the residents of Vrindavan and will search for you, Krishna. My Gopal, my Gopal, my Gopal.
After hearing from Madhvendra Puri, all villagers got excited to find the deity of Gopalji. Let us come to their village and feel their excitement.
Hey Madhu, why are you doing like this? Did you see any ghost?
No, you don't know anything better than ghost?
No.
We found something very special and something very fortunate.
Who?
We found Gopal.
Gopal, son of Ramlal. Where did you find him?
No, not that Gopal. He is son of Nanda, Govardhandari Gopal.
Good joke, good joke, good joke. You don't have better work today.
No, a sannyasi came to our village to do Govardhan Parikrama. He saw a dream yesterday. The Lord came to his dream and said that he is hidden in one of the bushes in Govardhan.
Oh.
He has asked all the villagers to come and help him find the deities of Gopal.
Oh.
All the villagers are already assembled there, and I am already late.
Hey Madhu, wait. I am also coming.
In this way, as per the instructions of Madhvendra Puri, villagers excavated the deity from the top of Govardhan mountain from the bushes and established his deity on top of the Govardhan mountain.
गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति
My dear residents of Vrindavan, let us celebrate this day. On this day, our beloved Gopal has appeared for us. Gopal, in his form and deity form, are not different from each other. Therefore, let us celebrate his day. Let us celebrate his mercy.
Govardhandari Gopal ki.
Jai. Our beloved Gopal was hidden in the bushes for many hundreds of years. He must be very hungry. In Dwapar Yuga, the residents of Vrindavan had celebrated the festival called Annakutta, where under the direction of Gopalji, they had filled him with sumptuous foodstuffs. In the similar way, we will celebrate the festival of Annakutta ceremony. Now I would request you, bring huge quantity of grains and vegetables. Bring thousands of pots of milk, buttermilk, sweet rice, and many sweet mixed foodstuffs. Let us celebrate this day with enthusiasm.
Giridhari Gopal ki.
Jai.
Maharaj, the whole village is so excited by appearance of Gopal, by your mercy.
By your mercy, we have got the opportunity to worship the Lord.
No, it's not my mercy. It's Gopal's mercy. But I would like to thank you all the residents of Vrindavan. Because of your help only, we could celebrate this festival of Annakutta. I am really thankful to you.
We are so excited. How could we celebrate or prepare this ceremony within a day?
This is just a potency of Gopal.
We are so fortunate that we have arrived from Bengal at this very right time.
We are so excited while seeing the enthusiasm and the power of the devotee to serve the Lord. this Brajabhumi is such an ideal place to practice Krishna conscious movement.
We see that people here are naturally inclined towards loving Krishna, and Krishna, he is naturally inclined towards loving the people. We have decided that we all are going to spend rest of our life here in serving the Lord.
Hari Bol. May Lord, Supreme Lord, bless both of you. I am very much pleased with you. And now I have decided to entrust the service of my Gopalji in your hands. Now if you wish, you can stay with me and daily serve my Gopalji.
Sure,
and make
Maharaj.
make sure the daily service of Gopalji goes on uninterruptedly.
Sure, Maharaj, we are blessed.
Now come and let us celebrate the festival of Annakut.
The Lord was offered with mountains of cooked rice, pots of vegetables, and stacks of chapatis, along with pots of milk, buttermilk, yogurt, and sweet rice. And the prasad distributed to everyone whoever participated in the installation ceremony. Hearing this news of Gopalji's appearance, people from surrounding villages flooded towards Govardhan with presentations of gold, silver, jewels, silk garments, and scented oil, and many other articles. Each and every family at Vrajabhumi contributed one cow. The festivities continued for many days. One very rich Kshatriya of the royal order constructed the temple, and some made cooking utensils, someone else made boundary walls, and the worship of the deities became very elaborate. Shri Gopalji Bhagwan ki. In same way, in recent history, we see that Srila Prabhupada, following in the footsteps of Madhvendra Puri, established the deities of Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra Maharani across the globe. Let us go to San Francisco in an antique Indian store where Her Grace Malti Mataji, who is one among first few initial disciples of Srila Prabhupada, is present, and what exactly she is doing.
Oh, Krishna, it seems to be an Indian antique store. I may find something very special here for Prabhupada. Let me see. Oh, wow, wonderful. It looks so different. I will show this to Swamiji.
Srila Prabhupada is sitting in his room along with his disciples. One among them was His Grace Shyam Sundar Prabhu.
So, Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. Krishna is cause of all causes. Ishvara Paramaha Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karana.
Look, Swamiji, what I brought for you.
Lord Jagannath,
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथ गामी भवतो मे
What is this, Swamiji?
नाथ स्वामी
He is Lord Jagannath, the Lord of universe. He is Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna. Thank you for bringing him here. But there must be two more deities along with him. Did you notice?
Yes, Swamiji. There were two more dolls just looking like him. One was white and the other was yellow in color.
Oh, yes, the yellow, the Jagannath sister Subhadra, and the one in white complexion is Jagannathji's brother Balramji. Can you bring them?
Yes, Swamiji. Let us go.
And within few minutes, His Grace Sham Sundar Prabhu and Her Grace Malti Devi brings two more deities to Srila Prabhupada.
Here in the middle, Subhadra Maharani, Jagannathji's sister, and to the left of Subhadra Maharani, in the white complexion, Balramji, and to the right of Subhadra Maharani, in the black complexion, the Jagannathji himself. These deities, few thousand years ago, were carved by Vishwakarma and established by the king of Odisha, the king Indradyumna, in the holy place of Jagannath Puri. And since then, these deities are being worshipped even today. We are very fortunate that Jagannath has come here in San Francisco. Do anyone know carving?
Yes, Swamiji, I know this art.
If I make picture of these three deities on paper, will you be able to carve these deities in 3 feet size?
Yes, Swamiji, I'll try to make it.
As soon as your carving work will be over, we will establish those deities here in our ISKCON San Francisco.
His Grace Sham Sundar Prabhu started carving the deities. Meanwhile, just to know the status of work, Srila Prabhupada enters in the workshop of His Grace Sham Sundar Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Sham Sundar, how the carving is going on?
It's going good, Swamiji.
Sham Sundar, how can you allow this cigarette between you and Krishna? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hari Ram, Ram Ram, Hari Hari.
Oh Jagannath, what was I doing? Today, I decide that I am going to quit smoking.
In this way, His Grace Sham Sundar Prabhu gave up his smoking habit and carved the deities with pure consciousness. And Srila Prabhupada established the deities in San Francisco and started Rath Yatra for them. And eventually, Rath Yatra became popular all over world. Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. In this way, we can see from the drama how Lord Krishna takes care of his devotees personally. He came with a pot of milk, Madhavendra Puri, and sent so many followers for helping Srila Prabhupada. The way elaborate worship of the Gopalji deity established by Srila Madhavendra Puri, similarly, Srila Prabhupada also established elaborate deity worship standards all over the ISKCON temples across the globe, which includes 6 times daily worship every day, 6 times bhoga offering every day, decoration of deities with silk cloths, jewelry and different flowers every day. We also observed how Lord empowers his devotees. Madhavendra Puri could arrange a whole festival in one day, and Srila Prabhupada made hippies into happies and established the worldwide society within 11 years.
RG Media YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe.